Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. The steering wheel's nice and straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Car shifts great. Little crackles there. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So starting off with this front end here, full front clip PPF, full fenders, hood, and front bumper. That also includes the side mirrors and the A-pillar, and going across there as well. And then making our way to the bottom, you have the PPF here on that lower section, on that quarter panel. And then this little strip right here, and then it kind of tapers out and ends, looks about right here. So all of that is protected. And then it looks like a carbon overlay on top of the PPF right there. So let's check out the overall condition here. Got the Pilot Sport Cut 2s. Got a little gash right there. A little bit of rash here. Other than that, it's in great condition. Now you do have some snags on this film. Like I said, it has PPF. It is really hard to tell if there's any paint damage underneath. Looking at that as close as I can here, it looks fine. So some new film on here, and it should look good. Little snag here. A couple little spots there as well on that film. And then same with the side mirror, you got a couple little scuffs over that PPF. A-pillar looks good. Checking out the door. See some really light scuffs there, if you can see that. Looks like something kind of brushed the paint. Does not catch my nail. Lower rocker looks good. A little bit of fading on this carbon piece, but it is there to protect. Here on this wheel, very minor rash right there. The rest of that looks good. All of this looks nice. Checking out the top. Little markings here from when it folds up and goes in the back. I don't see any rips or tears. All of that's in good condition. Tempered glass. All of that looks good. All right, let's check out this front. Like I said, full front clip PPF. That does not include the headlights. A couple little scuffs on the film. I don't see any other flaws there on that hood. That light looks good. Couple tiny little scuffs in the film. You're gonna have little rock impacts as well, but nothing's really standing out to me yet. Now we do have some rash right here. You can see that. Some of the film is kind of flaking off. All right, looking at the driver's side here on the fender. Looks to be in great condition. That wheel looks good. Now keep in mind, you can see the rotors here. They have the little corrosion on there, or rust, or whatever you want to call that. It's just from washing and detail and the car sitting for 24 hours. and not being driven. So when I go drive this car, when I'm done with the video, they're gonna be nice and shiny, so don't worry about that. That looks good. Got a little snag here in the film. You do have a gash right there that does catch my nail. All of that looks good. You do have previous damage here, and it looks like it was touched up, but you still have the rash that goes around half of that wheel. The rest of the wheel though looks good. And checking out back here, we've got the spoiler raised. That taillight looks good. Exhaust tips look good. You can see a couple chips right here. Very tiny scuff right there. Little chip here. The rest of this looks good. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Now here on this top side, you have a couple little flaws there in the leather. Overall, that looks good. Very minor wear here. The rest of that panel looks nice. You do have some wear here. You can see that. Got the nice all-weather mat. That bolster looks amazing. A couple tiny scuffs, but otherwise that seat is in great condition. Bottom side looks good. Now the steering wheel is a little shiny in some places. A couple tiny scuffs here and there. This all looks great, 36,000 miles. That screen is in great condition. Those buttons look good. A couple scuffs right here. Looking at the dash, all of that looks good. You can see some little indentions there on that top of that seat. You got a little indention right here. Otherwise, it looks good back here. Here on the passenger door panel, a couple tiny flaws here. Otherwise, looks good. Couple imperfections every once in a while. That trim looks nice. Floor mat looks good. Now here on the seat, you have a little snag right there. Kind of a small rip. And you have a scuff here. A couple tiny indentions. Overall, that bolster looks nice. Same here. A couple tiny scuffs. Looking at the console lid, that looks good. A couple tiny little scuffs there. Little scuff here. Overall, this side looks good. All right, got a little stain there. All that plastic looks awesome.